Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. I hope you guys are doing great today. In this video of Facebook ads course, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook catalog ads. Well guys, when we talk about sales, then we can't forget catalog ads because catalog ads are very important when you are promoting your products on Facebook, right? So let's directly jump into my Facebook ads account and learn how to create one catalog ads. So guys, as you can see, right now I'm in my Facebook ads account. Now, before proceeding further, let me tell you that what is catalog. Basically, it is a kind of a list that Facebook gets from your website, which can be created manually or automatically using few tools on your website. And this list helps Facebook to understand that what are the products which you are providing and helps Facebook to understand that which will be the perfect audience for that, right? So this is what catalog is. Let's say you have 10,000 tens of thousand products in your website, so you can't manually upload one by one all the products. So for that you can use catalog. You can basically create one catalog on your website, not on your website. You can create the catalog on your Facebook ads account, right? And the catalog can be created using a feed URL, basically a product feed, which can be created on your website. So let's directly talk about the catalog, that how you can create catalog, because if you want to create a campaign, for that first you have to create a catalog in your Facebook ads account, right? So let's just create one catalog in our Facebook ads account. So for that we have to go to all tools, as you can see here, and in all tools, when you click in the end of this list, you will be able to see this commerce manager option. You have to click on this. It is loading, and once it gets loaded, you have to click on get started. Now it is asking create a shop, create a catalog. Obviously we want to create a catalog, right? Get started. Now again it is loading a bit. Now here you have four options for basically for which platform or the industry you want to create your catalog. It is e-commerce, it is travel, real estate, or auto industry. So obviously we are going with e-commerce industry. Now it is asking that it is online products or local products. So in most of the case it is online product, right? So I'm also selecting online products, and in our case we have also online products. If I haven't shown you our website, let me show you. This is our website. This is totally a dummy website, and we are going to use this website to create our catalog, right? Now let's directly get into my Facebook ads account. So here I have to select the online products and hit the next button. Now here you have to configure some settings. The first one is how you want to upload your products, right? So the first one is upload product info, and the second one is connect a partner platform. So it is totally up to you. We are going with this one, and I'm going to show you the procedure that how you can use this option with your WordPress or Shopify website, right? Now in catalog, here you have to select the catalog owner, who will be the catalog owner, and then you have to name the catalog. So I'm here writing demo catalog products, right? And now hit the create button and the catalog will be created. Let me click on view catalog. It is loading. It is showing that taking you to commerce manager. Now here in commerce manager you'll be able to see the catalog like this, right? But the thing is, there's no any product in this catalog. This catalog is totally empty, which we have created right now, right? So the next task is to add products in this particular catalog. So how you can add those products? So for that you have to connect any data sources from where Facebook can gather the data of your website, of your products, right? So for that, let's directly go to data sources here in the left hand side menu, right? Now once you click on data sources, you'll get four options. That choose your preferred option, how you want to upload the product in your website, right? So you can use these four options. I'm going with the manual option. No, not on manual, I'm going with this data feed option. If you want, you can choose manual option, because if you go with manual option, you have to fill, basically you have to add all the products manually, right? And the second option is data feed, and then we do have partner platform, where you can connect your platform, or you can use the pixel as well, right? We are going with data feed right now. Now what you have to do is hit the next button, and here we have to add the product feed link, which can be created in our website, right? So now we have to create a product feed link, and that feed link will be pasted here. Then we can proceed further, right? So let's directly get into my website. Now as you can see, I am in the backend section of my website, and my website is, let me show you. The website is offerbazaar.store. This is the website and this is the backend, and this website is based on WordPress. So I'm going to use a plugin which will help me to create a product feed. But if you have Shopify websites, for that you can use a plugin, basically an application which is just like a plugin, which is Flexify, right? Flexify. So this is the plugin name. You can search, as you can see, this is the Flexify product feed for Shopify. So you can add this application into your Shopify website, and this will help you to create a product feed link, right? Simple as that. You don't have to do anything extra. You just have to install this application in your Shopify website and follow 1-2 simple steps, and your product feed will be in your hand. Right now, let's talk about the WordPress website. So in WordPress website, we have to go to plugins section, go to add new, and in add new, we have to search the plugin here. So the name is product catalog feed. So this is the name we have to search. And once you search product catalog feed, this is the tool, basically this is the plugin you will get by Pixel Your Site, and it has around 8,000 plus active installations. So you can install this plugin into your WordPress site and then hit the activate button. Once the plugin is activated, go to the menu section of your screen, into the left hand side menu. Now here you'll be able to see the plugin. Let me go to, yeah, as you can see, product catalog. If we click on this, you will see a interface like this. Right now we have to create a feed, right? So click on create feed, name the feed. So I'm adding demo feed. I'm not adding anything extra. Now if you want, you can customize few things. As you can see here, many options are here. It is totally up to you whether you want to customize it or not, but right now I'm going with the by default option. I've just given the name, right, and I'm using the default options. All the default options are here. If you want, you can change it few options, right, uh, which is totally up to you. Now click on save and generate the feed. Now as you can see, you have started generating feed, and the feed is generated here. Right now here you will be able to see a button which says copy feed URL. So click this button, right? The feed URL has been copied. Now let's directly go to our website, not on website, I mean Facebook, right? And here we have to add that link. So let me paste it here, and once you paste, it will ask you to add username and password, but this is totally optional. Just leave this option as it is and hit the next button. Now it will take a few minutes. Now here you have to name this option. As you can see, new data feed for demo catalog product. Yes, URL is this. Now default currency is in USD. If you want, you can change it. So my website has the default, basically this is the dummy website, so all the currency is in dollars, so I'm using the USD option in my catalog as well. Right now here you can set the frequency as well, so that product feed can update it automatically. You don't have to do manual updation. You can set the timing, whether it should be hourly basis, daily basis, or weekly basis. So I'm setting up weekly basis. That means that the product feed will be updated on a weekly basis. Even I can set the time as well, right? But I'm not doing anything here. It is totally up to you. If you want to set the specific time, you can set that as well. Now hit the upload button, and it will take few minutes to upload the data, and it depends that how many products you have in your website, right? As you can see, the bar is going on, and it will take few minutes to upload. Now guys, after a few minutes you will be able to see that your items has been uploaded. As you can see, items in your catalog from the data feed is 13, so it means 13 item has been uploaded. Now let's directly go to items, and we'll be able to see the products over here. As you can see here, all the products has been uploaded. Now if you want to add any more extra product, you can directly click on add items, and you can manually add the items as well. Right now if you click on sets, you can create your set, basically the categories, right? let me click on get started, hit the next button. All right, okay, let me close this. Yeah, so this is how you can basically this is the products, and what you can do is you can create your own set or the categories. Let's say if I click on advertise set, let me close this. Let me directly click on view filters. Okay, let me refresh this list once. Now as you can see, the create set button has been blinked up. It means now I can create the set, right? Earlier it was not blinking up, it was not activated, right? So now if you click on create set, you can create the set using filters, or you can create the set using by selecting products manually, right? So two options you get. And why we should create set? Because in the end of the ad creation process, you can select any specific set. Let's say you just want to promote juices from your website. Now here you'll be able to see that we do have different products, and honey, we do have hand sanitizer, edible oil, and other things are there also. But now let's say I just want to create a set which has juices, right? So that I can create a ad on juices only. So for that I have to go to filters, and what I can do is I can apply one filter, and I can use, basically I can create a list or the set of those products, right, after applying the filters. So let me hit the close button. Now here in item group, basically you can set the attribute here. So you can go with item group, products, title, product type. So I'm going with product title, and I'm going that contains, right? So if the product name contains, product title contains juice, then it will be appear in front of me, right? As you can see, one product is showing here. And if I click on create, oops, I have to give the name. So demo set, I'm writing it, and hit the create button, and the set has been created, right? So this is how you can create different sets, different product categories. So it is totally up to you, right? Now let's directly jump into the ads manager so that we can create one ad using our catalog. So let's go to ads manager. Now here it is loading a bit. Obviously we want to create a campaign, so we have to click on create button. Let it load properly. Yeah, fine. So click here, click on create button, and once you click on create button, a small window will appear in front of you like this. And here you have to select sales, because we are going to run sales campaign using catalogs, right? So after selecting the sales, I've clicked on the next button, and it is getting loaded, and we'll be into our 3-step campaign creation process. Now here, as you can see, we are into our campaign creation process. First we have to name this campaign. So I'm writing sale campaign, and here I'm going to write the date. Now if it is you are creating your ad for any special category, you can select it, otherwise you can leave it as it is. Then buying type, it is auction based, otherwise you don't have any other option, right? And in campaign objective, obviously we have already selected the objective, and changing your objective is not a point or not an option over here. Now catalog is turned on, but we are not going to turn on the catalog option here. We are going to turn on the catalog. Basically we are going to use catalog in the ad level, right? We are not using catalog here. Now if you click on show more, you get one more important option, which is basically campaign spending limit. You can set the spending limit on a campaign level, so it is the option for that. There's then A/B testing. If you want to create an A/B testing app or A/B testing ad, you can create. Then we do have advantage campaign budget, also known as campaign budget optimization, CBO, right? If you click on this, you get the budget setting. Basically you can set your you can set your ad budget on a campaign basis, right? Campaign level. So you get two options, daily budget and lifetime budget. Totally up to you. If you go with lifetime budget, you get one more extra option, and that is you can schedule your campaign on an hourly basis as well. But for that, the campaign budget should be in lifetime, right? You have to set the lifetime budget, and when you set the lifetime budget, you get this option to turn on, right? And when you select the daily budget, this will disappear, right? But right now we are not going with the advantage campaign budget. we want to set our budget on an ad set level, right? So let's hit the next button, and here again we have to set the ad set name. Not again, we are setting up the ad set name for the first time. Earlier we have set the name for campaign, right? Now this is the ad set name, sales ad set, and then date. Now here we have to set the conversion. So obviously we are going with website, and after that conversion performance goals will be maximize number of conversions. If you click on other options, you get few more options over here, but the best option is right now is obviously a conversion, because we want conversion. But if you want to go with landing page views, let's say you just want to maximize the number of landing page views, you can go with this one, maximize number of link clicks, maximize daily unique reach, maximize number of impressions. So these are the other goals you get, but right now I'm creating a sales campaign, and for that I need conversions, so maximize number of conversions. After that, pixel is selected, and here we can select the let me just scroll a little bit. Yeah, here we can select the conversion event, that what will be counted as a conversion event, that is purchase, right? Now as you can see here, it is showing setup conversion, because the pixel is not added properly with my website, that's why it is asking. So you have to keep this thing in mind, that the pixel is properly added into your website, right? Now here again you can set the cost per result goal. So if you have run your ads earlier, you might know that what is the nominal cost for a goal or the conversion, right? Nominal cost for a conversion. So if you know that number, you can add the amount here. Otherwise, you can leave it as it is, right? You can leave it blank. This is the optional one. Now, if you click on show more options, you get few extra options over here, like attribution setting 7 days after clicking or 1 day after viewing. So this is, if you click, you get few more options, and this is basically how Facebook counts that this is a conversion or not, like this, right? Then when you get charged, it is by default set on impression based, delivery type is standard, you can't do anything here. Then one option we get here, which is dynamic creative. We don't want to use dynamic creative right now, so this is totally optional. It is totally up to you. If you want to use, you can turn this option on, and Facebook's algorithm will create your ad copies and all, right? After that, we do have budget and scheduling options. So here we are going to set the budget. So again we get the two options over here, daily budget, lifetime budget. So I'm going with daily budget, which is around 800 rupees a day, which is roughly around $10 a day, right? And if you want to go with lifetime budget, you can set the lifetime budget accordingly. But if you are selecting lifetime budget, you have to set the start and end date as well, right? And there's one more extra benefit of choosing lifetime budget. As I already told you, that if you select lifetime budget, you get the option to schedule your ads on an hourly basis as well. As you can see, you just have to turn this option on, right? This option will be hidden. You have to show the option and then turn this option on, run ads on a schedule. And here you can set the hourly basis of your ads, right? Let's say you just want to run your ads on Monday morning, so you can select the hours where you want to run your ads, like this. Now one more option you get here, like the hourly basis will be on, basically the time will be set as per viewers time zone or your ad accounts time zone. So it is totally up to you which option you want to go with. I'm going with daily budget right now. I'm not choosing any hourly option, right? So daily budget is around 800 rupees. Let's make it 2400 rupees, which is around $30 a day, right? Okay, it is very high. Yeah, now it is done. 2400 rupees, as I told you, which is around $30 a day. Yeah, and I'm turning off this ad and campaign end date option, right? Now after this, you get the audience selection button, where you can set your custom audience or lookalike audience, whatever the option you want to go with, you can go, right? If you don't know how to create your lookalike or custom audience, we have already shown you in the Facebook marketing playlist. You can visit the playlist by clicking on the link in the description box below, so you can check out that link, right? Now here you can set the locations, whatever the location you want to target. Here you have to search and select the location, right? In my case, the whole country has been selected. Now let's say I want to exclude the location. Now let's say I don't want to target India because my currency is set as in US dollar, so I'm going to target United States, right? So let's select United States. The whole country has been selected. Oops, it is on exclude. Now let me select again United States. Right now, as you can see, the United States has been selected. Now let's say I want to target few regions like New York. So I just have to search the New York, and here the New York City has been excluded from my targeting, right? So this is how you can set the location and the exclusion part. Even you can do the bulk location adding as well. Now we are into age bracket. So this is totally up to you, depends on your business, that which is the age, perfect age bracket for your business. Let's say this is a real estate business. So for that, although this is not a real estate business, we are creating ad for this website, right? So in this case, I think the age bracket would be 18 to 65 is fine. But if you know the exact number, let's say you know that the maximum number of sales I get from 18 to 40, so you can set it that way, right? Now you can set the genders as well, right? So again, this depends on your business nature, that which type of product you sell, right? Then here you can do detailed targeting on a demographical basis, interest and behavioral basis. You can click on browse, and here you get demo options on the basis of demographics, on the basis of interest, and on the basis of behaviors. So you can select and create your detailed targeting. Then we have language option. Let's say your audience speaks any specific language, you can set that. Otherwise, by default, it is set on all languages. Then here we do have two options: advantage plus placement and manual placement. So if you go with manual placement, advantage is totally automatic. Facebook will decide that where to show your ad, on which platform, on which devices, on which operating systems, right? But if you want to do it manually, then you have to select manual placement. Now you get the options to select devices, whether it should be mobile or desktop, whether what can be the platform, right? Like Facebook, Instagram, audience network, messenger. Then here you get the specific locations, placements as well, right? This is the feed placement, this is the story and reel placement, then in-stream or ads for videos and reels, then search results. So all the placements are here. If you click here, you get few more extra options like operating system basis. You want to show your ads on Android devices only, then you can select this, or iOS devices, you can select this. Even let's say you just want to show your ads on a Wi-Fi devices, basically which devices, basically the devices which are connected with Wi-Fi. So you can select this option, right? So tons of customized options and targeting options are here. You can explore it. After this, you just hit the next button and you will be into our ad level. Now again, you have to name the ad, whatever the name you want to give to this ad. I'm adding sale ad, then date. Now here you have to select the page. So this is the page I've selected. Again, now here you have to select the Instagram account. So it is selected now. Now in ad setup, you can go with manual upload or catalog. You can select the catalog. Obviously, we are going to create a catalog ad, right? Now if you select advantage plus creative for catalog, so Facebook will automatically create the catalog of your products, as you can see here. Not catalog, the properly looking ad for your products, right? So this is how it is going to look. Now if you scroll a little bit down, here you will be able to see the add creative option. In add creative option, we get few options related to catalog. Like here you can select the catalog, so there's only one catalog in our ad account, so it is showing one. Now here you can set the product set which we have created. So right now it has taken the demo set, but we are not going with demo set, we are going with all products. But I hope you understood the basically the usage of product set, right? What is the use of product set? I hope you understood. Now it is set on all product, but if you want to advertise any specific category, you know how to do it with your sets, right? Now after this, we have the add copy option. So here in the primary text, you can write the primary text according to yourself. Otherwise you can click on this plus icon, and here you can add the description of that specific product, right? Here you can add the name of that. In the headline option you can add the name of that specific product. Then in the description part, let me click on description part. In the description part you can add the current price or the price of that specific product. So this is how you can use the content on your website to create your ad copies, right? Now here you can add the call to action. Whatever the call to action you want, you can add it. Obviously shop now would be the perfect option. After this you can add any, not any, basically you have to add the URL of your website. So let's add it. I've copied the link and I've pasted the link here, right? Now here we do have the display link. This is basically the user will land if they click on the link, but this is the link they will be able to see, right? We do have one more option over here, which is deep link. As you can see here, deep link destination, use link destination setting from catalog. So basically what this option will do is, if the user is clicking on this particular ad, then the user will land on the specific product page of this product, right? So this is how deep link works. And here we do have added the main URL so that the user can land directly on the website homepage, right? Now after this we do have some more options. So here you can select the language, and then in tracking option you have to activate, basically you have to connect your pixel properly. Right now it is showing your metapixel is not activated, so it should be properly connected with your account. Then offline event, no offline event, we are not doing anything here. Then we do have last option, which is URL parameter. If you want, you can build your URL parameter. Here you can select in campaign source, you can select campaign name. Here you can select your campaign site source name, and then you can apply so that you can check from where you are getting traffic, right? So this is how you can create a catalog ad. You just have to hit the publish button and your ads will be live right after a few minutes, right? So this is the proper process. I hope you liked the process. I hope you understood the proper video, and if you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also don't forget to share this video with your needy friends who want to run catalog ads, and you can share the playlist as well who want to learn Facebook marketing, Facebook ads, right? So I hope this helps, and with that said, I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.